Welcome to my video on how to prune hydrangeas. It's currently February time here in the southwest of the UK, and it's a perfect time to prune hydrangeas. All you'll need are a good pair of secateurs, possibly some loppers and a pruning saw. The fundamentals for any pruning of shrubs is to take out any dead, damaged or diseased material, but first we need to remove last year's flower heads. You can see here I'm cutting right down as close as I can to 2 healthy buds. Take care when leaning in to prune so that you don't knock off any of the new buds. Once the dead heading is completed, you can see the inner framework of the shrub. Now is the time to remove any branches that are crossing and rubbing against each other. Also, it's a chance to remove any weak growth back to the next healthy stem. When you have stems that are no longer productive, take them right back to the base of the shrub. This will promote all the buds at the base to send up new, vigorous shoots. As you can see here, by taking out the old stems, we're letting a lot of light and air into the base of the shrub. Every year when you prune hydrangeas, you may cut out up to 1/3 of the stems right back to the base. We call this rejuvenation pruning, which means that after 3 or 4 years, you'll have a completely new shrub. And you'll be guaranteeing lots of flowers year after year. Here's another view of the dead heading in action. By thinning out up to 1/3 of these large stems, we're creating an open goblet shape. Well, there you have it. That's how you prune Hydrangea macrophylla. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and don't forget to subscribe for all my other gardening videos. I'm Patrick Burt from PB Horticulture. Thanks for watching.